Namaste friends. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Today we will talk about the wheezing sound in children, causes and homeopathic medicines. Wheezing sound is a high-pitched whistling sound heard during breathing, caused by narrowing or obstruction in the airways. In children it is often due to asthma, allergies, respiratory infections or bronchitis. Symptoms include noisy breathing, tight chest, cough and difficulty in breathing, especially at night. Homeopathic medicines work very well. Number one is arsenic album, wheezing sound with restlessness worse at night. Epicac, constant cough with rattling mucus, child unable to bring it up. Spongia tosta, dry, barking, wheezing cough, better with warm drinks. Antimprat, rattling in chest with the difficult expectoration. Child is very weak and drowsy. Next one is natrum sulph for asthma like wheezing, worse in damp weather. Homeopathy helps clear mucus, eases breathing and strengthens immunity in children safely without side effect. Hope you will like this video and you will send it to nearest and dearest ones. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.